Welcome to Lasting Power of Attorney, and we're here with Helen Girton, who's one of the private client solicitors at Alfred Truman's. Helen, can you explain to me the involvement of the Office of the Public Guardian?
Well, the role of the Public Guardian deals with the paperwork that's necessary to register the power of attorney. They actually produce the lasting power of attorney forms and all the associated papers that are necessary to apply to have the documentation registered. So really they are the vehicle by which you send the application. Once it's completed, they then send back the completed registration marked as registered. They can provide office copies of the documents for you to produce to your bank and any other people that might need to see that it's officially registered. And basically they will also deal with powers that are revoked. You can apply to them and say this power has been revoked, and then they will deal with the deregistration.
So the Office of Public Guardian is the administrative body that looks after the setting up of the powers of attorney. What is the role of the Court of Protection?
Well, the Court of Protection has quite an important role because they ensure that everything is done for the attorney once they're incapable of acting for them by themselves as it should be. So if the attorney has a particular query, they can take it to the Court of Protection, who will make the decision in the best interests of the person who's made the power of attorney. In particular, they can make orders relating to gifts which the attorney is not authorised to make just by themselves. But obviously if there's a particular reason for making that gift, for example for inheritance tax planning purposes, then an application can be made and it goes to the Court of Protection, who considers it on the best interests of the patient, and they will make an appropriate order, so that the attorney is then covered and has taken the proper steps to act in the best interests of the person who's given him the power.
So Helen, thank you very much for having me in today and for sharing all your wisdom with us. For all your lasting power of attorney needs, contact Alfred Truman Solicitors now in Bicester on 01869 360079 or in Buckingham on 01280 822217.